Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so the news today on the use of blockchain tech should be more environmentally friendly. Right, just in case you're not aware, the top blockchains that you know, Ethereum and Bitcoin, uses what is called a proof of work consensus algorithm. What that means is that, right, so proof of work uses this heavy mining machines. Let me show you guys what it look like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is what the mining machines look like. Right, so this is the heat sink here that drives out the heat from the mining machine itself, and there are thousands of them around the world. So this consumes lots and lots of energy. Now to solve that problem, other consensus algorithms came out, such as Safe POS, Casper, and DPoS. Right, so according to this article here, the security feature of proof of work is 49%, and Casper, and the rest, they are 33%, but this is largely false. Ethereum falls under the 33%, but is largely false. And Vitalik himself actually said the same thing some few years ago. Let me show you guys. Alright, so this is the video right here. Proof of work seems centralized in the economic of scale, and that was Dan Larima asking Vitalik that question. You see, that's a very good point, and we're looking at two separate solutions. So this is largely not true. So I think proof of stake and delegated proof of stake has more security. But the point of the video we're trying to make is POS and DPoS consumes less energy, right? It consume less energy. Right, so for blockchains, in summary, for blockchains to be more environmentally friendly, they need to move to proof of stake or dedicated proof of stake or any other consensus algorithm that doesn't consume much energy. So in more news, China's blockchain ambition set in stone after mention in national 5-year plan. Now what this means is that China is setting up a 5-year plan for blockchain technology. Right, and yeah, I have a meeting in 1 hour. And if you want to know, the blockchain that the Chinese government are currently looking at, you need to find go online and search CCID, blockchain CCID China, or Chinese blockchain CCID, something like that. Okay, let me just quickly pull out the news for you so that you see the blockchains that the Chinese government are actually looking at, right? So they have a blockchain ranking, right? So latest CCID blockchain ranking place IOST in first in basic tech, fourth overall. Right, so this was released June 2020. So I think they release these ratings every quarter, right? So what this means is that the Chinese government have been studying about blockchain, and every quarter they bring out a list of their top blockchain based on their technology, and this is the list. EOS is number 1, and then Tron, and then Ethereum, and then IOST, and before you have where's Bitcoin, before you have BTC, right? So they have several criteria: basic technology, applicability, creativity, and the total index, and then the ranking, right? So EOS has been number 1, so that also means that EOS is on their list, and of course Tron, and of course Ethereum, and of course IOST, right? That's so. If you don't have these coins, you should bag some of these coins, right? So in some more China news, Chinese of course this is an old news, I'm just going through it. Chinese banks pilot digital yuan at Shanghai department stores. Summary of all this is that the days of paper money are gone, right? Are gone, and we are going into a new era, the era of digital economy and paperless economy. So if the Chinese government is setting a plan, 5-year plan for blockchain, and we've seen governments of Dubai doing the same thing. That means schools should start learning about blockchain and technology, right? And that is why I'm especially excited about this news here that says students in Georgia said to be taught about crypto at high school, right? So this is the trend, and this is going to be the trend, right? When we started crypto, nobody taught us about crypto. We had the internet too. And if you don't watch this video, you should watch it about a 3-year-old, girl talking about Bitcoin, right? So we'll see institutions around the world start teaching about blockchain technology, the history of Bitcoin, Bitcoin 101, and the rest. Right, so in the last news for today, Tether got on Solana. Solana is one of my favorite blockchains, right? EOS, Solana, Ethereum, just like that. So Solana has been in the news for a while, and the price has more than doubled since I talked about it. And just in case you're not aware, Solana is super fast. It's just as fast as Ethereum. Yeah, sorry, it's just as fast as EOS, right? But it still has a lot of catch up to do with EOS. But that's the news right here. Solana is coming into the picture, and I think Solana is less than a year old or so. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. See ya.